You have no idea who they are. Extra eye on the youngsters does not hurt. Does that happen here, you say? Yes, it does. There's a spot right up here on our catch fence a couple of seasons ago. I can point it out to you. Maybe I will later during intermission. But yeah, so pay attention. We don't want anybody getting hurt on the track or in the stands. But hey, we are at a racetrack, so stranger things have happened. This one's slated for 25 laps. The chickens like when it's sunny. You know what you do when it's sunny and the chickens are smiling? You punch it, chicken. Here we go. McAllen Electrical Dwarf Car main event. Whoa, they go 4 wide into turn number 1. Holy moly. And a smaller wheelbase makes these cars get a little more upset if they hit that 7-inch curbing that we have here at Havasu 95 Speedway. That's why you saw right off the bat they got ugly as they go beating and banging on that thing. Oh, they'll jump curb a little bit different than a factory stock. Yes, just a bit. And just a bit outside is where Mike Cash has been looking the last couple laps, trying to make a move on Shane Lindenberger leading this thing. 3rd, 4th, and 5th is up for debate. Throw a blanket on 3rd through 5th. Oh, we got him around again. We're leaning hard on that bottom side. Damage. Cowboy up front. Mike Cash on the outside. Shane Lindenberger. Oh, and we got one around the 66. Jack Planty, is he still under his own power? Yes, he is, but the yellow's already out. So that will be a full restart. Again, good restart. For your McAllen Electrical Dwarf Cars here at Havasu 95 Speedway. Oh, Cash got a little squirrely right in front of the 13. Bush had to whoa his ponies up very quickly. Saw a little bit of tire smoke there in the middle of the whoa on the high side of the speed band and punch it. Not yet. Here he comes out of 4, though. Coming down the hill into 1 and 2, working the high side. Still not enough. Let's see as they go in. And they're bumping and grinding in 3 and 4. That's leaving the door open underneath. Sheets has not been scared to use it. Oh, and Sheets goes underneath. Cash goes around into turn number 2, and we're yellow. Oh, man. Has he got enough for the guys in front of him? We're going to find out right now. Punch it, chicken. Let's figure this one out. Right off the bat, Bush to the high side. For sure, ladies and gentlemen, making the tow down the hill. It's going to be a nice tow back up this evening to Kingman. Kyle Busch going to win your Dwarf main event here. Your McAllen Electrical Dwarf Car main event at Havasu 95 Speedway. Shane Lindenberger 2nd, and Bob Hooker going to be credited with the 3rd place. Chickens getting punched early on in this one. Last time they were here, 21 of Mike Miller actually ended up winning the thing. Tom Gray was 2nd, and Darren Kearns was 3rd. He said, I like the way this thing looks today. It has looked awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, coming out of 4, your main event factory stock winner, Big Bad Darren Kearns for the win, ladies and gentlemen. Tom Gray 2nd, Chris Blackwell 3rd. Punch it, little chickens. Let's go mini dwarf racing. Oh yeah, you can see it's a little juicy out there. That should work well for Braylon Martin. He likes that kind of track. Aplanti up to second. Can't just go find those at Pick Apart anymore. Martin, really good start. Planty up into second. Garrity in third. Braylon Martin, win your main event here in the mini dwarf division. I think this is the Masters. Green flag's out. Lots of bouncing right there. 42 comes away a winner on that one. Whoa, heads up. That's why we... It's only the best snacks served up here in the pool. We have caviar and nachos and Tootsie Rolls. This is my kind of party. One thing you can tell, though, with these higher side panels on these mini dwarfs, you see just how much character that clay has. You see them bouncing around. They bounce in some areas. It's smooth in others. That's part of figuring out a dirt track. Clay will change on you. And on big dirt tracks, you'll see them work the clay during intermissions, track prep, stuff like that. There is definitely a character to clay and dirt racing. We release the hounds. Oh, 767 goes Zayden Davis. Out of San Diego. She's all of 6 years old. And she's going to win second after the 42. I have nothing on the 42 up here. But Chloe Carty in the 48C comes home with a second place. Not too bad. Flat carts are out, ready to rock and roll. So McKinney's got the pole there. Madden in that 24. Asher Solomon in the 51. Bentley Bowman in the 22. Landon Weirick out there in the 13. Going to start the outside row number 2. I think they're getting it all. Punch a chicken. Let's go. Let's get it on. Havasu Wiring Flat Carts. 20 laps to completion on this one. Kenny gets a good start. 3 get jumbled up at the back. They stay going under their own power. We stay green. Madden McKinney in that 24, though. Wherever they're going. We're proud of that. Back to chickens that get punched. That means green flag laps that count here at Havasu 95. And punch a chicken on the top 3. Hey, we're running our own race here, boys and girls. Ryder said, well, yeah, you got to work around me. Madden said, okay, here, let me work the inside. Let me show you how it's done, son. And swoop goes right on by. Well, it's impressive. And then he takes the checkered flag, ladies and gentlemen. The Madman, Madden McKinney, going to come home with the win. They're on my list. Punch it, chicken. Let's get it on. Mad Dog again, boy. She got a heck of a start. But I think we're going to bring her back for a full restart. As Punch it, chicken. Green flags out. Mad Dog again. A good start. Braylon Martin on the inside, though, a little bit better. Oh, and Taylor Horn. Nice move coming out of 2. She gets 1. She's up into second place now. They're coming out of 2. But that's his job. Keep that car. Oh, and he spun. He overworked 2 again for Braylon Martin. Green is out. Punch a chicken. Let's get this one over and done, ladies and gentlemen. We have faith. Pierce Weaver, he's got Barrett Custom Marine, Bodyline, Impact Graphics, Simpson. Mad Dog had to go wide too, and that allows Weaver to get underneath her. Ah, we go yellow. Well, how about that finish, Havasu? Oh! I didn't... oh, yeah, now we look like the Chili Bowl. Checkered flag comes out, and then there's an accident. Somebody's sitting here going, what does he mean? Go check it out. Check out that YouTube. Punch it chicken indeed. Here comes your Get It Gear Street Stock 75 lap feature at Havasu 95 Speedway on a Saturday afternoon, a beautiful Saturday afternoon here in the desert Southwest. Top five starting to put a little bit of distance between themselves and Chad Hansen and Jacob Cottaro in the 6th and 7th spot. Hansen was having a mirror full of Cottaro, but the 67's around in turn 3, so we go yellow. So everybody's showing a little bit. They were just starting to get situated. Now, Punch it chicken, nice restart for Matt Hicks. There was a little bit of a hiccup, a little farther back in the field, but they continue on. We're good to go. Matt Hicks, Eddie Secord. 45. Oh, looks like 45 smoking something bad. That's Jason Grady in that 45. Might go away here. We'll see. Secord for the lead as they went by the start-finish line. New leader, Fast Eddie Secord. There was really nowhere else to go. But Fast Eddie Secord going to try to make fast work of Grady. Matt Hicks looked like got up on the curb there just a tad. With the left. Got into it with, is that the 25, I believe? Yes, indeed. Eddie Secord gonna lead him on down. Secord Hicks. Matt Hicks trying to working the back bumper of the 35. Secord says, no, I don't think so, dude. They better figure it out because Garrett Cromsight's right behind him in the 5 car. Move for the lead. Hicks back to the lead. The 28 had a hit of steam on that restart. Seemed like only a matter of time before he got up to the lead. But again, watch that 5 car in the 3rd spot. Oh, we got a melee in turn 3. That was the 1 of Jay Verduzco and the 27 of Chase Mueller. Matt Hicks, you got the lead, bud. Lap 31, punch it chicken. Got to get it to lap 75, ladies and gentlemen. That's where this race is what we call completed, lap 75. Big 75 lap feature here at Havasu 95 Speedway with our Get It Gear Street Stocks. Race down into 2 chunks. Okay, first chunk, let's maintain, get good position. Second one, let's keep some Hoosiers underneath us, and then we'll go racing. Garrett Cromsight had a head of steam coming out of 4, had to rub it like it's a dirt track, and scrub some of that speed here on the front straightaway. Start getting through 3 lap cars. 3 lap cars of traffic ahead of him. He'll make work of Mueller pretty quick. Chase goes down another lap. I'd be a little more concerned with McKern and Daniels in front of him as they've been sliding around the last couple laps. Now, where do you go if you're Matt Hicks? You go down, you go high, what do you do? Lap cars, man. The 26 is coming to him. In fact, he makes a move underneath in turn number 2 for second. Nathan Hubdahl. Hubdahl working it. Up into second now. But nobody had much for Mr. Hicks today. Matthew Hicks in that 28 machine sees the white flag come out. He's got one heck of a family, and they've been backing him and crew chiefing and supporting that dude for a long time. It's going to be a nice trip back to Santee, towing that main event winning machine. Matthew Hicks going to win your main event here. Nathan Hubdahl comes in second from 10th. Holy moly. Eddie Secord going to come in third. Jacob Cataro fourth. Brenda Lane comes in fifth. Chad Hansen sixth. Mike McKern seventh. Chase Mueller going to come home eighth. We started 16, only 8 survived. That was a Mad Max Street Stock main event. Havasu 95 Speedway. Did you enjoy that final main event of the afternoon?